Hi there, Jason here. I've got a video for you about the difference between le and còmhla. It's a pretty important difference. So let's take a look here. Right, le agus còmhla both mean with. In English, we would just say with for both of these contexts. However, in Gaelic, they're quite different. So còmhla means you can think of as along with someone. Maybe in the company of, if that works for you. Okay, leva. So còmhla, in the company of someone, or along with someone. Yeah? Le is literal, it just means with something. So let's take a look at a few examples. Let's start with le. So here we have brocht le kerk. Brocht le kerk. What do we have here? Soup with chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck, buck. Soup with chicken. This is, as I understand it, and how I was taught, how you'd say chicken soup in Gaelic. Brocht le kerk. And you can use that with anything. Brocht le tomato. Brocht le... What else would we have? Brocht le glaserie. Vegetable soup. It's literal. That is definitely soup with vegetables in it. Using còmhla, brocht, còmhla glaserie, that means you and the vegetables are having a nice bowl of soup together. You're all sitting there, the celery is drinking its soup and enjoying it, the tomatoes are sharing a little bowl of soup, the carrots are just diving right in and they're drinking soup, everyone together around the table, you and the vegetables are drinking soup together. Pretty big difference. So if you're talking about foods, le is really good to have. Let's see. Brocht le kerk. Skrivig le piaun. Skrivig le piaun. Writing with a pen. Writing with a pen. Ha mi skrivig le piaun. Ha mi skrivig le piaun Jarak. Ha mi skrivig le piaun du. Ha mi skrivig le piaun uwania. Ha mi skrivig le piaun pink. Agus piaun orange. Kuchoch. Leva. So again, we're literally writing with a pen. If we use còmhla, ha mi skrivig còmhla piaun, it means you and the pen are in a coffee shop somewhere and you're both working on your play or your novel or your blog post. Like you're writing it together. Còmhla means together with someone. That's a nice picture. I could picture myself writing the next Gaelic novel with a giant pen. Yeah. I don't know if the pen would approve of my music choice when I'm in the zone. Anyway, so le is real literal. And it's really useful. Còmhla is together with someone. So if you want to have soup with Mari, you made a nice vegetable soup. Sorry, vegetables, you're getting cooked. You're not coming to lunch, you are lunch. So if you cooked lunch for Mari, you'd say ha mi a gaval brocht còmhla Mari. Capitalize her name. Having soup like in the company of Mary, or along with Mary. Còmhla is for people. Còmhla. And if me and a friend are at a cafe and we're doing some serious writing, ha mi skrivig còmhla carach. Right, with a friend. This is Mary up here. Yeah. Ha mi skrivig còmhla carach. I'm writing in the company of a friend or with a friend. Yeah. Otherwise, if you use le, Ha mi escrivag le carich. I'm using my friend as a pen. I'm writing on a piece of paper with my friend's head. Maybe their nose. I don't think they'd enjoy that too much. So, how do you know when to use le? How do you know when to use còmhla? Well, I recommend really just focusing on when to use còmhla. And when is that? With people. Còmhla. Còmhla mari. Ha mi adol gan vu. Còmhla mari. I'm going to the shop with Mari. With people, always use còmhla. Everything else, chances are you'd use le. So, a little tip for you. Just be vigilant of using còmhla with people, le for everything else. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Cléva.